Hello everyone! Everything I own, villas, investments, freedom, came from consistent effort. Today I earn over 1000 plus bucks weekly through trading. Inside Telegram I give you free strategy training, practice and signals. Join my community and message me. Excellence is a skill, not a gift.
Bad timing ruins good setups. That's why I focus on flow, not prediction. I don't fight rhythm, I blend into it. When the market breathes out, I enter with it. That's how trades feel natural, not forced.
Here we're opening a sell trade and we've entered in advance. Since I noticed the moving average crossover forming. Let's highlight the working area. As I told earlier, this strategy is very simple, so we only focus on this section of the price movement. We can see an update of the local high, followed by a price pullback, and then the movement continues downward. In this zone, a moving average crossover from top to bottom occurs, which is a very important signal, and that's why we open a sell trade here. Click the link below and see the real strategy in action. Completely free. I personally teach my members during live practice sessions so they can understand every step of the progress. Join the Telegram, get your free strategy breakdown and start trading with knowledge, not luck. Let's watch the result. I expect a downward breakout toward the end. And as we can see, the trade closes in profit. Timing in trading appears when the market finally resettles into a clear rhythm. I wait until the candles stop jumping randomly and begin moving with intention. That shift from noise to structure is usually very subtle at first glance, but once the chart becomes predictable for a moment, the direction feels obvious.
The key is not to get back what was lost. That mind test destroys more accounts than bad signals. I trade only when the mind is clear, not chasing revenge. Markets don't care about my emotions or frustrations. They reward only structure and control.
Yes, here we will open a trade for an increase. A bit of risky entry, I would say, but overall, if we take into account the price dynamics, we haven't had a good pullback for quite a while during this movement. Therefore, we also look here at the moving average crossover. That is, a small support area has formed and a global price minimum was created. Here we observe a moving average crossover from bottom to top. Therefore, we open a trade for an increase. We will watch the result again. So far the movement dynamics completely satisfy me. Let's wait for the trade to close. The next trade closes in profit.
Each zone tells a story: who won last time, who's defending now. I look for confirmation, not perfection. Even a small reaction can guide a big decision. That's why I always let the chart speak first, and I simply follow its language.
Want to earn over $1,000 a week in trading? I teach my community for free, real strategies, real results, and daily high accuracy signals. Join my Sawyer community now and see how it's done.